Okay, so we're out walking again at the Jefferson Memorial Park Cemetery. And I'm here with Hug and the Embracers. They're singing today. And look at the tiger. Look at this. These are all the 50s. And I do understand there's a special car down here today, and that's why I'm heading back out. We'll take a look at a couple of these on our way down. And just loads of them. And look at this one right here. This is a beauty. This is a beauty. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. I'll put it on my YouTube channel. Yes, that's a beauty. Alrighty. Okay, we got a few more. But there's a special car down here today, and that's why I'm heading down here. We'll be here in just a minute. Let me swing over here. Look at these. My mother used to be one of these, and my dad. I used to drive one of these around town. Looks like a Chevy. And then there's your Dodge. Oh my God. These are just gorgeous. Now we're going to look at the surprise car, and here we go. Are you ready for it? Are you sure? Look at this, the Trump car. This is terrific. Oh my Lord. Make America great again. Oh, let's just walk around this. Look at those hubcaps, those wheels. There we go. Make America great again. I'll take us around here to the front. As you can see, the hood is up on the Trump car. This is terrific. If only Mr. Trump, President Trump was in it, that would be more terrific. And let's look at the motor. That is terrific. I don't want to get too close because I don't know how the owner would feel. Oh my lands. And again, this is the Trump car, and there's a nice green one beside it. We're gonna take one more shot of it over here. We get the whole thing. That is terrific. Let's look inside this motor here. And off we go.
Oh, pardon me, sorry about that.
You're welcome. There's a nice Corvette. I think we're going to head over here and look at this one right over here. This is a stout car my dad drove when he was a young boy, and my mother. I'm going to just take it over here. Okay. See if we can get the inside of it. It's gorgeous. I remember a photograph of my dad in a car like this. Look at this. This is great. This was worth coming to see. The Trump car. Come to see this Chevy. Brings back memories. And come to hear the Hug and the Embracers. What a terrific day. A nice, warm, hot day today. I'm going to take this on up here and get a few more shots of these cars. Again, this is the Jefferson Memorial Park Cemetery, Allegheny County. You can look that up. Maybe next year you can bring your car and put it in. Well, that's all I'm going to show you guys when we get back to the show. God bless.